welcome to Scrap Squad!
Today we're going to be playing Muppets Party Cruise.
So, next time we do this, tell me to bring my good controllers, because this one has, like, a cord span of 4 inches, so...
Yeah.
Wait, Justin's player one.
Mine is wireless because I'm a high-tech kind of guy.
Clearly!
It's also Gucci. It's a Gucci GameCube controller.
Oh.
Gucci GameCube! Oh, this seating actually works.
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Muppets.
Yeah.
Oh no.
Alright, wait.
Look, everybody.
Did he just... Kermit the Frog!
Adventure on the high seas, alright. The food, the cannons. Oh, the shopping.
May I
Bitch.
interject something?
So many good times. Hey, look.
I was not a Muppets fan.
I call it Animal.
Muppets is so good.
I know, Muppets is really...
I'm sure it is, I just wasn't a Muppets
Just
fan.
from listening to the story.
Yeah, sure.
Swerve, bitch.
Fozzie's just like, he's
Look at that tomato, huh? It seems like only yesterday.
They look
Fozzie
terrible.
wants to eat them all.
And enjoy the memories immediately thanks to Muppet Labs' instantaneous photo processing.
Fast.
Coming soon, the Muppet Labs pre-processing. Imagine being able to get your photos before you've taken them.
May I interject something?
He does not sound like the actual Eagle guy.
May I interject something?
Boat! Boat!
Whoa.
I love him.
Oh god.
Muppets are great.
Boy, we've been going down for a long time.
First class will be on top. This is what the tickets lady tells me. First class. This is what we wanted now.
About that.
Interject something?
May I interject
something?
Going to the engine room now.
Cool. Something's odd. Let me see those tickets, Pepe. Deck 1. You bought tickets for Deck 1?
See? Deck 1. Primero. First. This is the first class you wanted, okay?
First class, Pepe, not first deck.
There goes steerage. Wow, we're in the keel.
About that. Pepe, how did this happen?
Smell bad.
I'm not sure I appreciate your tone, Carmen.
Oh no.
First class, first day. What is the difference, okay?
It's the Titanic.
If this is first class, I'd hate to see the last one.
Boom.
This is incredible.
It looked like Miss Piggy just like farted on him.
We shouldn't let this spoil our vacation. Let's party, guys!
Alright, so yeah. Welcome to Muppets Party Cruise.
Why the This-
Long cruise.
This was Justin's idea.
I want to play the Eagle.
Press
with
A
Sam.
and you join.
Oh wait.
I'm player 4 then.
Oh wait.
Are we using, okay, never mind.
Are we really gonna all make names?
Yeah.
Actually.
C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, and then L, P, Q, R, S. This is gonna be a whole episode. This is gonna be worse than Adderall Snapple Snap.
Oh no.
Come on. Why you gotta be that dude?
I'm gonna be that dude.
No.
Josiah, what the fuck?
Is that you?
May I interject
Sammy.
Gucci guy.
Yo.
I don't know who I fucking want. I'm gonna be the bear.
Fozzie?
Yeah, the bear.
Fozzie
I
Bear!
want to be Fozzie.
Are you Pepe?
He's the
yeah.
dude. Fozzie's the normal. Oh.
I just want to be Sam the Eagle, dude. His
May I
voice.
interject something?
Alright, so what do we want to do? Are we going to do ghetto or are we going to be like high
Oh,
craft?
dude, hi.
Of course
let's
we're gonna
do
be
in
high
between.
craft.
No, we're going high.
We're gonna be high rollers. Are you fucking kidding me?
I barely remember how to play this
Open
game.
the door to play the mini games. I don't care. Should I read that?
Trading game.
I'm sure.
We'll figure it out. My turn.
What the? Is
So-
this Mario Party?
Basically, alright, so what you do is you tap A, and
Pachinko.
you can use L and R to like shake it, but if you shake the pinball machine too much,
You get a tilt.
yeah, basically.
Okay.
So you move around, you decide where you want to go. It's like a game board. So
Oh, it's like Fire Emblem.
Essentially. The control-wise, yeah.
Is it my...
Yeah, do you remember Fire Emblem when you got to play pinball with Fozzie Bear?
Yeah. See what you get.
How do you get a 1?
He pressed L and R too many times.
Oh,
He
yeah.
sent it.
Oh. So
Wow.
okay, you go PP.
Go, Grant.
Oh, go for the 9. Oh, 3. That's better than everyone else got.
Oh yeah, if you get cruise credits, which are those spinny things, you get like little extra spaces to go.
May I interject something?
May I interject something?
How do you move? You
Press A, yeah.
Local currencies.
And then that thing is an extra roll.
No, wait, no, you're cheating. Is this Grant?
Yeah.
What is the goal?
What is that?
You gotta go to a door and then you get mini games.
Oh, swag.
You can keep going.
Yeah, you get an extra roll now.
I don't even remember Pepe in the Muppets, honestly.
You're a prawn.
Oh, he's a prawn.
Yeah.
I swear to God,
Chili
if you get
Oh.
9. I was gonna say, if you got 9...
Hey, go to the door. I want to play mini game.
No, don't do yellow doors. Yellow doors suck.
Do yellow. Do
Whatever,
it.
do yellow. I think it's a solo game though.
Oh no, don't do yellow.
Yeah,
That's
it's,
cool.
What about
kinda-
that blue door?
It's too late for that.
Do the
Go
blue-
to yellow so people can see a game.
But that blue door.
You won't make it.
Oh.
You only have 3
Dude, this game is so slow paced.
What
It
is
is.
this? Find successive matches and...
Oh,
Biggest
okay.
win.
Is that all of us? Or
Come on, I hope
oh, this
you-
is Grant. This is... Oh my God.
Squid, my favorite Muppet character.
Ooh!
Well, it's ocean themed.
We can find Dawn Trail!
Don Trail.
Oh, I did find a match.
He keeps coming back.
Dawn Trail, the dolphin! Oh,
Good job, Grant.
oh, you gotta match
Oh,
the
you're
shark.
going, dude. Ah!
I don't get it.
One
What's-
more.
Yo!
No, you suck.
I don't get it. How do you?
You're supposed to find, if you find like all the squids in a row, you get like a big bonus. And yeah, obviously.
Oh,
It's that one.
ha! You suck.
Yeah, whatever. You get 180 or 190 cruise credits.
Yay.
That's
Oh.
cool. Go, Miss Piggy.
May I take your
That
pass?
picture.
May I interject something?
May I take your...
No, what?
How? I don't even get.
Don't. You can't.
Sass.
Just
You
click
can't-
A, please.
Yeah, just let's get this over with.
Just so I can pick Long Cruise.
Oh, I didn't.
Oh my God, she won.
Boom!
What the...
Look, a chicken wing.
Dude, what the hell?
I love Ralph, dude. He's
He's
the
the best.
best character.
Is what's this really to show off?
Wait, there's
Sam Eagle?
computer players?
Kind of. Go. Oh,
You should play this game competitively.
Is Red multiplayer?
Yeah.
Oh,
Swag.
snap.
Alright, so this is speed bingo. Basically, move, mark card. Ready? And this is like betting to see if you're gonna win. You're
Fuck
gonna waste
yeah.
them all.
All or nothing, bitch.
This is Vegas. Okay, how do I play?
Listen, listen. She's gonna call them really fast, and you have to mark the right ones.
Wait, my controller doesn't even work though. Wait, how do I do that? Shh.
It will go up.
I,
It won't go up.
what?
What the f...
Shh.
I'm focusing so hard.
My controller.
This is definitely a one-off.
No, B1!
It's up so up there, I can't go up.
Yeah! No! You guys suck!
This isn't fair!
Fuck it keeps going?
Yeah, you
My
get this.
controller
This
doesn't
two
work. How am I supposed to do this?
You suck.
N39, B3, N42, P10, I30, I17, N32, P57, I29, P4, I20, G51,
G50.
69,
Stop laughing at that. 46.
Why is it gonna be up there?
Bingo, you bitches!
I hate you.
No, come back! I
Josiah,
won!
no!
Yeah. Let's see. Yeah! Oh, wait. I'm not. Okay, whatever.
JJ?
Yeah, dude. Keep in mind I played this when I was like 8.
Next time we get a controller that actually works.
Josiah!
It doesn't work, honestly?
No, it kept going up and down.
It is chewed.
Yeah.
Yeah!
May I interject something?
May I interject something?
Josiah, you're back.
So do I lose
How
all
was
my
Bob
credits?
Honestly,
No. Wait. You're Miss Piggy?
Yeah.
You have 75.
Oh, I can only bet 20 at once.
You got a
Honestly-
drumstick. You can move twice as far. Woo! Oh, you wasted it.
So
Honestly,
how do you
though-
win this game?
You collect hella party favors.
How many turns are
Auction.
there?
Okay, so you're bidding on the party favor. The highest bidder, you have 30 seconds. Go. Oh, darn it. I lost already.
How do I do
What?
this?
Whoever has the highest bid at the end, whoever wants to bet the most on his party favor.
bruh, of course I'm gonna bet everything.
No,
No, I'm gonna stop. I'm gonna be smart. Never mind, you can't go down?
Yeah.
Well,
Who's
Well, it's Grant's now if he wants it. You can take it.
Grant, don't be a little bitch.
Just
Wait,
do 95 and you got it.
Don't be a little bitch.
Wait, I don't get it. So
I
wait.
hate you!
Wait, no, John. Oh, no, you gotta press
Wait,
it.
so it's like an auction, so I just
Yeah.
lose all my
no,
money?
No. 'Cause
Oh,
you lost
okay.
it. Grant won it.
Okay.
God damn it.
What's really fun is when you're playing against a computer and, oh, dude, you got the knife above your head so you can only move half as far. See all your ones.
Since when does the Swedish chef have a gun?
He's a chef. Of course he's got a gun.
Okay.
Can we say the fact that Justin cheated by
game
not
is- I
betting?
cheat?
This
By
game is
not betting at all?
gay bait.
No, I tapped A because I suck.
So play Mario Party next, you know, the better version of this.
What? You suck.
Stop tilting it!
Okay, hit the cruise credit thing and you get more. See, now you have 2.
Josiah's moved a total of like 1 space. this whole game.
2.
This game is literally the slowest thing I've ever. This game is.
Oh, what the? You landed on a porpoise.
Contrail!
That's not how boats. That's not.
No, Swedish chef.
This isn't how boats work.
Rolf, stop.
We're on the
Dude, Rolf just has that glazed look in his eyes, like I'm gonna screw you all over.
I'm gonna kill you
Dude,
all.
we're on the top floor. How did that work?
No. Yeah.
So how many taps do you get?
Like 3. It's really low.
Oh, I'd like tap them all right away.
Cash.
Oh, you can set multiple spaces in a row. How often did you play this game as a
A
kid?
lot. My mom really liked this game.
Your mom played it with
My
you?
mom loved this game.
God damn.
This isn't even fair.
Is this single player? No.
Gumball drops. Alright. Move,
Alright, so-
swap, jump to bottom.
Okay.
What?
This is like, you buy game points. Like 5 points per credit, so.
At this point, I had nothing to lose, so if I can't be the best, I can be the worst.
Oh, shit.
Wait, what? Okay, tell me how to play.
I don't remember.
Bejeweled?
I don't know what to. What?
Ah!
Oh, I get it.
It would help if this thing.
Oh, I get it.
What do we gotta do?
Wait, no, what? No!
Fuck this game.
I'm just mad because you suck.
I don't get it.
It's
You try and get the ball at the bottom in its correct, like, spot. You know what I'm saying?
I
Like,
hate Muppets Party Cruise. It's literally the worst thing made.
Listen to the music. It's really cool.
Hitler's worse than this game.
Let's yeah, I'll agree with you. Yeah.
Oh wait, Hitler's
I'm
worse.
honestly thinking A.
Yeah. If you
Wait,
just
that's a
go
good
along-
idea.
If you go along the bottom and just tap, you pretty much win.
That's what I can do.
Thanks for the idea.
But if you get like hella balls in a row, you get more points.
Don't tell me anything about hella balls, please. I got hella balls.
Hella balls.
Literally, this is the only way to win.
I'm gonna beat you guys, I hope.
The sad thing about this game is that my mom was actually really good. Like, she always beat me.
The sad thing about my life is that I'm playing this game.
Shut up.
I understand your pain, Josiah.
Well, you can thank the viewers. They wanted to see 4v4.
No one wanted to see this.
Yeah, they did. They want to... Well, I guess I can't say.
No one asked for
They
this.
said 4v4. This is like...
This is it.
This is them against the internet.
This is me versus
Look at
myself.
how much time we have.
Ah!
How much?
Holy cow.
This is mein Kampf.
What? That doesn't even make sense.
No, his struggle?
How are you guys doing? How do you tell?
You don't. You wait till the end.
Oh, so it's like real life. You don't know.
How'd you do in life?
You don't know
We'll
till you
see.
don't even care anymore. How long do games normally take in this? I mean, like,
2, 1, game over!
I hope I win.
I bet
Nah,
you...
dude.
Oh, Jesus.
Stomped y'all.
Oh, I won. Oh no.
An animal gets the most gumball.
Yeah,
Those are
gumball.
Gumballs?
It was the game was called Gumball Drop.
They look like poison.
Yeah.
They look like marbles.
Shut up.
Fozzie Bear.
I have a car over me. What does that mean?
A car?
Yeah.
I don't remember. Oh, that was the game.
Oh.
It's called Doom Buggies. It kind of sucks. Actually,
Do
no,
it.
it's not. It's cool.
Do it.
No, you can't.
Oh.
We already. That was the auction one, remember?
Oh.
I mean, what is the goal?
So go to a door and you. Okay, so the goal is to get like 7 matching party favors. You get party favors by completing a game.
7?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Get the cabbage.
Cabbage.
New credits were. Oh, balls.
Grant, go to the spinny portal.
I know. What does that do, Justin?
I don't. I
Let's
think
find
I
out.
think it teleports.
Who did this? Who?
Picked up a hypno disc.
Why? Why? Oh yeah, just choose me my 2 credits. Do animal.
No! God, Grant, come on! Ah.
Good.
You're the worst.
Well.
This
I don't
doesn't
care.
make.
Wow, that was
sense,
great
but
too. That's one better than I normally get. I want the boat.
No, get the cruise credit and then get the boat.
I'm on a boat.
You're seasick now.
Wait, what does that do?
I don't know. He's back! He's gonna shoot Fozzie Bear. Oh, you got a knife above your head, Fozzie.
Why does he have a gun?
I don't know. Rolf! He's literally stealing all of the
He
money.
literally does not give one damn.
Pepe. No! Grant!
Oh, you control what he
Grant,
does.
make him
Oh,
kill
do I
himself.
really?
Yeah.
No! I hate you! Ah!
Oh yeah.
Oh boy! He looks so excited. Hey, no, you moved me too?
Yeah.
Oh, do I really?
Yeah.
What's
Hey, your
happening?
controller's really bad. Oh, it's because the C-stick's on
The
this.
camera's just no. I thought the camera got bored of this game and left.
The camera just walked off.
This already has bad perception in it. Why would they give you a second?
Ha!
Did you even try, Fozzie?
Josiah?
Bless you.
Oh,
Hey,
thank you.
try and roll a bunch and then go and rock, paper, scissors, Miss Piggies.
Wait, rock paper scissors.
Yeah, you steal cruise credits from each other.
Oh yeah, all 2 of mine. It's like robbing a homeless man. It's,
Yo!
it's cruel and pointless.
Hey, get the seasick thing.
What's seasick
I don't
do?
remember the.
Grant, you've got 9 moves. You can spare.
Yeah, I do. You're fine. Immune to the. Oh, the danger square is what Josiah landed on. Sometimes you can walk over a
Did
porpoise.
somebody say the danger zone? Highway to
Shut up.
No, fuck you, Josiah. I'm sorry.
Yo.
I love you guys. This game is frustrating.
Wait, what happens if you run into someone?
You have to rock, paper, scissors.
Oh yeah,
battle.
duel me.
Yo.
Challenge him to a game of Yu-Gi-Oh!
Huh,
Challenge him to a shadow duel!
I'm letting you know I always choose rock. always choose rock. I don't do this to trick you. I literally always choose rock.
Pick rock every time.
Good job. You took.
You took 14 credits.
Good job. I'm in debt. I literally somehow gained credits from losing that. I had to.
Your turn. Time to turn your misfortune around.
Or not.
Go, Piggy, go.
That's
6!
Yeah.
Woo! That's probably more spaces than you've got total in this game combined.
How do I like move multiple spaces at once?
You just
Can't,
keep
you just
clicking
gotta-
it. You keep clicking it. And then
Yeah,
you
you
just
can
go.
keep tapping it.
Or
Alright.
Josiah,
Game
what
time.
What are you doing?
Shut up, Alec. This is serious.
Oh, it's another
Nope,
auction.
no one gets to know how to play.
It's another auction.
Why can't I bid my stuff?
Oh,
You already tapped A.
What?
Yeah, you only had 115. You weren't gonna win.
I was gonna win, probably. What the falls?
Hey, Brent.
Yo.
Be a homie. Tap
I
A on-
swear to Christ,
Tap
dude.
A on Justin's controller.
Oh, who's gonna... Gav, you go.
Fuck you.
Yeah, you're just mad. I got a blue party favor.
Brent, you could have been the real MVP.
Bye, Swedish chef.
Can Rolf go?
He said chicken
He
wings.
just looks so happy.
Yeah. Yeah. Come on, get in the 9. Yeah.
You're having way too much fun with this game.
Justin, I think you
Please
need
go
to
into
see
the
a
incinerator or whatever that is.
That's an ATM.
Oh.
I don't think that's what ATMs look like.
Yeah, it is. What does this thing do? Animal get the contents of lost. What did I get?
AIDS.
What does that mean?
You got AIDS.
Oh, sweet.
Ah!
Alright. After Fozzie's move, we're gonna have to cut the episode off.
No, we don't.
Well, we can't have 20-minute episodes.
Yeah, we can.
Well, I mean, yeah, but we can't have longer.
You just cut them midway through protect.
Do you want to watch
Oh, so that's gonna teleport you to a red door.
I would watch this all day. There needs to be 300 episodes of this. Oh, you know, I had an idea today. Okay, so
After this,
wait.
we record. Sorry, go ahead. We'll do this first.
Move, left flipper, right flipper.
Fuck it.
All right, so here's my idea. We record one episode of Pong every week, and then eventually we have like a Pong series that's like 500 episodes long.
Perfect.
Okay.
How do we do this?
Dr. Eggman?
That's
Oh, shoot. I remember this. May I?
Wait, what do I do? What am I? How do?
Okay, so Miss Piggy controls the flippers now.
How?
Now Pepe does.
How do I know who's controlling it?
The color of them.
The color.
I
of
control
who?
them now.
The,
How
col-
do you...
the color of who?
The flippers.
They're all red.
I know. Now they're pink, so Miss Piggy controls them.
They're not pink.
Yes, they are. The flippers.
I'm colorblind.
No, you're not.
I know, but I don't.
I need a valid excuse.
Who is? No!
Hey, me!
He was literally in the way.
Pepe, press A. Launch yourself.
Oh, thank you.
I don't even get this. I've literally never seen anything stupider than this
Shut
in my
up.
life.
This game is great. Oh,
I'm stuck.
Fuck pinball.
Somehow this
This is so stressful.
somehow this is
Pepe, you gotta move the flippers.
this is still
Now it's me.
this is still somehow
How do
better
you
than
win?
Dontrell.
You get more points by bouncing into stuff.
Can we
By,
play
and
Don
bouncing
Trail?
other people into
Can we
stuff.
play Dawn Trail again?
Can we kill ourselves?
Can you imagine how this feels like?
Whoa!
I just resigned in darkness.
Oh, Fozzie's doing it.
Really? You're not? We're gonna kill whoever that
Fozzie, hit the flippers.
that Irish guy is.
What?
The Irish guy with red hair.
How do you know?
That's not
Dr.
T.
Eggman?
No.
Dr. Eggman?
What's his name?
Those-
Oh, Zoot? No, that's not Zoot
You
either.
stupid Irish.
Darn it!
Yes! Oh my god, the day of reckoning's here. What? Okay, good.
You're safe. Darn it. Alright, next time on Scrap Squad, we're gonna play more.
Do we?
Audio. You gotta stop the audio.
No, you can just cut it, right?
Oh, yeah.
Alright, wait.